One day, Duck was resting in a siding, waiting for the Fat Controller to tell his job. And the Fat Controller was eating hamburgers for breakfast. Then Duck heard Thomas's whistle. Peep, peep, Thomas said. Come on, lazy bones. You don't have time to just sit on the couch or something like that. Let's do some work, okay? Okay, said Duck. Well, okay then. I'll get some trucks from the yard. Okay then, I'll just deliver these tankers, or something like that. I don't know, just call them trucks. And Duck went back so he could go on the main line. When Thomas started climbing Gordon's Hill, these tankers or tanks or trucks are heavy. I hope my coupling doesn't snap. Then there was trouble. He just stopped at the top when the coupling snapped. Oh, bugger, he thought. Now the trucks were chasing Duck. The trucks were full of fuel and oil. Duck thought, wow, what's going on? Then he passed Percy. How's it going? Said Percy. But Duck didn't have enough time to talk with Percy. The trucks chased Percy and chased him and chased him and chased him. Then there was trouble. There were pigs on the line, but the signalman knew what was going on. Duck saw the pigs, and the signalman changed the points just in time. But the trucks did the same too. They were almost at the end of the line when Duck was safe on the siding. He looked behind him and looked at the station. It was in pieces. Then Percy came. What was going on? What was the big sound? Said Percy. What's going on? Why is the station in pieces? He said. The pack-up took a long time. Duck was just too relieved to be safe when Thomas rolled in. I'm sorry my truck's coupling snapped, he said. No worries, said Duck. It's nothing that you'll do when you try to do it.